Affordable Runoff Solutions presents When it rains. Stormwater control measures are required to manage runoff generated by development and infrastructure. Rainfall on impervious surfaces, such as roads, roofs, and parking areas, produces runoff that must be controlled to meet regulatory standards. Uncontrolled stormwater runoff transports pollutants, including sediment, oil, nutrients, trash, and bacteria, into downstream waters. Federal, state, and local regulations require stormwater controls to protect water quality and comply with established water quality standards. Stormwater runoff also increases flood risk and accelerates erosion, which can damage infrastructure and adjacent properties. Regulatory requirements are designed to reduce peak flows, limit erosion, and prevent downstream impacts. Approved stormwater control measures, such as detention systems, bioswales, permeable pavement, and green infrastructure, are implemented to meet permit conditions. These systems are engineered to slow runoff, promote infiltration, and remove pollutants. Proper installation, inspection, and maintenance are essential for compliance. Failure to meet stormwater requirements may result in violations, enforcement actions, and fines. Stormwater control measures ensure compliance, protect public resources, and reduce long-term risk. Contact ARS for more information. Thanks for watching.